online is new normal. Like every other thing, even the hiring of people is happening through online interviews. Many must have already attended a few online interviews, and for few it's really new. So I come here with a few tips and tricks that might be of some help. Hi, I am Manisha, life skills trainer and personality coach. Like any other thing, you tend to feel nervous before the first experience. The first experience matters a lot. Hence, few might try to look for a video that might help them without experiencing, and that is called smart move. Hopefully this video reaches to everyone who is trying to give their first online interview. So basically I have 6 main tips and a few bonus tips for you today. But before we start that, I want to tell you that I have divided online interview videos in 3 parts. The first video, that is this video, will tell you what are the preparations that one has to do before the online interview, or what are the points you must keep in mind. The second part will tell you when you are in an online interview, then what you have to do or what points you have to take care of. In part 3 of online videos, I will be sharing a few unique questions that you might come across because it is an online interview, and how you have to handle those questions without getting into a state of shock that you did not expect it. Let's get started. First and foremost important point is that if an interview is scheduled with your consent and agreement, then do not miss it. You cannot afford to say that it slipped out of my mind, because you are new to online thing, it might slip out of mind. So what precautions you have to take care of so this thing does not happen to you? Maybe a reminder or Google Calendar or alarm. Any of these can be of help to you. मतलब 10 interviews भी अगर आपके एक दिन में scheduled हैं तो भी you cannot miss any of it. It is very unprofessional. या फिर you have an option beforehand that you don't agree to the time and date that is given to you. In fact, I'm sure online interviews में तो interviewee की permission और उसकी कन्वीनियंस ज़्यादा देखी जाती है. किसी ऑनलाइन इंटरव्यू 2 रीजंस की वजह से मेजरली हो रहा है. एक, मे बी बिकॉज इट इज़ अ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस और ओवरसीज इंटरव्यू, so it's not feasible for you to travel that much, of course, just for an interview. And sometimes in older days it used to be the first or second round online, and then the last one was face to face. And second, which is happening nowadays due to current situation of COVID-19, it's not advisable or recommended to go and meet people. We have to avoid as much we can. So online thing have come up as a very good option. In both the cases, you would be giving an interview either from your home or any place that is quiet without any disturbance. Of course, any public place cannot be an interview place. So, interviewer understands all these factors, and hence you are given the empowerment of agreeing to the time and date or telling your own convenient time or date. Or we can put it this way much better, that home does not always have interview friendly environment. There are people at your home, there are kids, there are pets. You have to manage everything. And this leads us to point number 2, that is manage your environment. जब आपका इंटरव्यू scheduled है, पहले से ही make sure that everybody at home is either aware or is going to be supporting till the time you are in an interview, like helping in keeping kids and pets engaged somewhere, or maybe आपको टेलीफोनिकली या पर्सनली डिस्टर्ब ना करना, एनी सडन सिचुएशंस और गेस्ट टू बी हैंडल्ड विदाउट यू बीइंग इन्वॉल्व्ड. In short, you should be mentally at peace that even if I'm in an interview, I won't be disturbed because everything can be handled by its own. And if you doubt, then better you fix things beforehand by yourself. Now let's go to third point, which is trial and testing. Do a trial of camera setup. Because in an online interview, that is very important thing. You cannot afford to leave this thing for the last day or last moment at all. So as soon as your interview is scheduled, if it's the first interview, you have to pay main attention to how your camera is going to be. Because the camera angle, the background, the distance of the camera, where your eyes will be, and how the lightings will be, everything matters, and you have to do your best. The camera should be on your eye level. You cannot put your camera like too high, like this. You cannot put your camera like this too high, or maybe too low, like you have to look like this. So don't do that. You have to put your camera on the eye level, and you have to sit at one arm distance from the camera. You also have to check the lightings, the background. In detail, we will talk in the next part. Point number 4, don't feel at home. Though the interview is just online, you will be still at home, not going to any office or place with your file of documents. Still, don't feel at home. And don't let the interviewer feel that you are at home. I hope you got me. Dress appropriately. Dress in your formals. Get ready as you would otherwise. Keep your document file still ready with you, as you would do in a physical interview. Point number 5, be punctual. As you would go 10 minutes before the time of scheduled interview in an in-person interview, same thing you have to do here. You have to be present with all your setups and connections, everything ready 10 to 15 minutes before the scheduled time for the interview. This brings us to next point number 6, and that is utilize your time. Check everything around you. The view in the background, light on your face, if audio is good, if microphone is working, if there is any background noise, switch off all the gadgets and apps which are not required. Now practice what you are going to say first. Put on the smile. So as we are planning so much, it starts to feel like online interviews are headache. But no, it's just one-time efforts. It's just the first time you have to find that place in your home where you can just get away from all these distractions and disturbances and interferences. And after that, you just know where to go. But yes, for an online interview, that place cannot be your balcony or the terrace. Because your house environment you can still control. But how will you stop street dog barking? Or a bike or car honking the horn? Somebody else's kid crying? Now let's come to the last point. Finally, when interview starts, pay full attention. Be a good listener. Be comfortable yet confident. I have shared the link of part 2 video which will take you through the online interview tips, little deep into the details of when you are actually in an interview, what points you have to take care of, so even in online interview you are as impressive as in an offline one. You can read the description and you will find the link there or in the I button. Now it's time for a quick recap. come with few bonus tips. Tip number 1 as bonus is that if you are someone who has the luxury of choosing interview day and time, then you should decide 3 days in a week, maybe Monday, Wednesday and Thursday or Friday, as per your convenience, that these 3 days are only my interview days. So you can plan other things on the other days or maybe things accordingly. But if you don't have the luxury of choosing the day or time, then you have to manage the environment at your home accordingly. And other few tips are related to the setups. What all things do you require for an online interview? Number 1, you must have a smartphone or a desktop or laptop. A great microphone is very important. Suppose if you are giving such good answers but your voice is not reaching to the interviewer, on what grounds is he going to judge you? You don't want to miss the opportunity just because you don't have a good microphone. So go buy one. Number 2 is the webcam. Your mobile camera should be good, or you must buy a separate webcam which you can attach to the mobile or to your laptop or computer. You need webcam because you want to show your best on the day of your interview. If you already have all these things arranged, then do not forget to keep your mobile, your Bluetooth mic, everything already charged, full battery. Good speed internet connection is must. You don't want to miss this opportunity to impress someone just because of these setbacks. Another thing is a tripod. If possible, buy one. All these are the basics that you must be ready with. My suggestion is even before applying for any online interviews, so that the later process is a little hassle-free. Keep a pen or pencil and a diary ready with you. One more last tip is keep a backup ready. Suppose in this minute your mobile or microphone stops working, maybe your internet speed is not good that day, so you must have some other phone with internet. Maybe you can borrow it from one of your family members. You can borrow a headphone as well for the emergencies. You have another network to switch to if one slows down. Remember, be prepared for the worst, and worst will never happen. All the best to who are going to appear for online interviews sooner. May this video be of some help to you and you have a great and hassle-free experience of an online interview.